It's interesting how this clock fell off the wall. Of course, it broke on that side. The reason why it fell off is because this was used to hang it off of. This is a push pin or tack, and I've never seen half of it shearing off like this, but there we have it. So the intact one, of course, they all look like this, standard issue push pins, and in a drywall they leave these holes from which the pin, depending on the angle of the pin, it can just slip out easily, relatively easily. If it's pushed in a little bit this way, then maybe it can hold a little better or longer or whatever. But ultimately, the solution is here. I put in a screw with the screwdriver here, just a screw looking like this, nothing fancy. This is not rocket science, just whatever matches the screwdriver bit, and the threads, of course, on a screw are holding it in the drywall, as opposed to the smooth pin on a push pin, which guarantees that it slides out. The threads on a screw, of course, make sure that it doesn't. So now the clock can be hung back up, and if I adjust it, it's going to actually show the time accurately.